Welcome to my new update video of my Pontiac. And my Pontiac turns 17 years old. We must somehow celebrate that in this video. Mr. Chief there is now 70 years old. You might wondering why I'm doing this. It's because I want to figure out how many big bolts I'm going to put here, because this is the problem. It will not grip down there after all years, only on the top. So I must put something in between here. So that's the next step, to buy bigger bolts that can be here between, so this will grip. This is going to be the solution. I have to make this hole a little bit bigger so they can fit in, that they have the perfect length. Well, now the two new bolts are here to keep the battery safe in place. And this is going to be the next project, checking the distance here on the spark plugs. I'm gonna use these tools that I had after my dad passed away. These tools can no longer be found in Sweden. I have asked everywhere, so I want to make sure that the distance here is the same on all the spark plugs. I'm gonna start with my spares and then next the spark plugs in my car. This is sad. I hope I can fix this. Two new screws, one spare, and back to this project, which I hope I can save. I took this problem to a car shop nearby to make sure that I will not mess it up anymore. Thank you, Erik Schweitz Bilverkstad. Now the neck knob is back in the car again. A very interesting packet here. I must pick it up. Well, here they are. My wiper blades. After 1 year that my old wiper blade was broken, thanks to Kjelle's veteranbilsdelar. Finally spring, and after being parked here for more than 2 months, covered in snow sometimes and dirt, it will go back to the garage again. It was difficult to fire up the car and move it, and a lot of snow sometimes. Have to do some cleaning, a lot of dust after this plumbing have been done. What have they done to our floor? Well, this has to be done before I can come back with the car. Now look what someone did to my car. Here's a dent. A real ugly one. I can't straighten it up myself, it's not that bad. There's a scratch. It took me only a half hour to straighten out this dent and repaint the spot where the car had dragged into mine. So it was an easy fix. I was very happy when I had my garage back and the plumbing work turned out fine. I share my garage with my neighbors next door. Great people to share the garage with. All the short cold starts had made my spark plugs really dirty. Extremely dirty, in fact, so I had to clean them. I still have some start issues and the carburetor is still sometimes coughing, so I must figure that out. And now it seems there's something wrong with the fuel gauge. A new packet arrived from Källes Veteran, Kumla. Very exciting. Well, some important gaskets for the motor. This gasket people call poop sausage in Sweden. I have no idea why. Autumn season is on its way, but it is still hot summer weather around here. Mr. Chief is now shining because it is his birthday. Coming up next in this restoration is figure out what's wrong with the gauge in the tank, figure out if there's any dirt in the carburetor, and I have now everything for replacing the gaskets between the motor and the transmission. I haven't done any welding job or replaced these ventilations windows which I had plans for, and the idea of making seat covers which weren't mine were totally forgotten, so that haven't been done either. But I figure something out. Hopefully find the shops that will help me. Thank you for watching.